Yeah, this is where it all starts. All of our products are made off of this technique. And so we've actually got it segregated inside there to vacuum just the parts that we want to vacuum. My name is Gordon. I go by Gordo. I started Gordo Scientific in 2012 in Peoria, Illinois, but I'm currently in Pine, Colorado.
Yeah, it's a pretty raw story.
Yeah, we have a clip of Paul saying, yeah, he was like 15 in our parents' garage blowing glass every night. That's like fucking gold. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is a good man of life footage.
How was that shit?
Alright guys, I'm gonna run down to Positive Vibes. I'll see you later. We're creating a team of American artists to manufacture American products. I want that connection with every product that I use in my life, and that's what we want to bring to our audience as well. And they can make that connection to us as a brand, and like that we're trying to bring them that pleasure and that joy and that satisfaction. I think it's good. Like I said before, like I fucking got to a point where I didn't fucking care what anyone else was making. I want to stop doing, like I just want to make what I want to make, and like at the same time I just want to do what I think is like good. Whether or not anyone cares if we're an American manufacturing company, I think it's good that we are an American manufacturing company. You know, and so that's what we need to keep doing, because people will connect with that, because we're doing what we want to do, you know? But it's kind of crazy, because all that shit's just even a new fad in the 15 fucking years I've been doing it, you know? Like, all this shit is just a fad when you've been doing it that long, you know? The shit that comes and goes, and like, it's changed so fucking much from when I was in the fucking garage. Like nobody even, nobody could have told you it would turn into something like this. You know, it is what it is. I was still having fun, that's the thing. I was doing what I wanted to do. You have to be willing to be fucking broke to do whatever you want to do. It's crazy, but it's fucking real. It's just cool to see people kind of hop on board, you know, dig what we're doing. All right, let's do this. Good to see you. How's things? Good. What up? So they're gonna start spinning one way, and I put my finger on it, and it immediately,
oh my God.
on a dime.
Dude, holy shit, yo, you gotta see this, Jay.